Hi guys, today I want to review about this digital sound level meter. Digital sound level meter. Okay, basically it look like this. Okay, look like this. Okay, basically look like this. So I'm gonna open in this box and have a look inside. Okay. So, okay, so unbox it, first like that, okay, inside it, battery, and the digital sound meter, okay, then I take it out first. Inside this here got a manual. Okay, a manual. Okay, this is the manual. The SNDWAY manual. Okay, in Chinese. And instead that got this QA/QC card. Okay. Okay, so I put it inside first. So I will review this. So this is the sound meter, sound level meter. Okay, like this. This is maximum minimum data, fast and slow. Okay, this is the A is for the ambient sound, C is for the machinery sound, lighting and up and down. Okay, now it's no battery inside, so I'm gonna install battery inside it. Okay, it's open like this. Okay. 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 Then close it. Okay. Put it aside. So let's test this. Okay. Okay. Open it. Okay. Okay. Open the light. So now it's ambient. This is only my sounds. Okay. 60 something. This is the max. Get the max. This is the min. This is A for ambient. C for machinery. Okay. Now have no machinery, so only ambient. Okay. For surrounding sound. Okay. So basically it is like that lah. So testing. Hello. See. Hello. This is the minimum. Okay, we free it. Okay. Testing. Hello. Okay. Okay, now we close it. So this is fast. Hello. This is slow. This is fast. Fast is detect so fast the sound. Okay. This is slow. This is slow. You slowly detect the sound. Okay. Okay. So basically like that. I'm gonna close it. The light. Okay. And off it. Okay. So that's all for it today, guys. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.